Hey guys, Mr. Garvey here. This is 4.5, number 53. This is a tricky problem, okay? So pay close attention here. Clearly, you can't distribute inside the square root there. It's not something you're allowed to do algebraically, which makes this a difficult integral and something that we don't have a technique for right now except for u sub. First things first, draw the cloud. Pick your u. There's really only one choice for u here. It's got to be x plus 6. The only thing to choose. If you choose the whole square root, that's not right. Du is just 1, just dx. So you go over to your problem, and you got the square root of u, cool. Oh, sweet, I can just make the dx into du. But then you got this x chilling out there, and you're like, bro, you're in the way. It's messing up my game. Can't do this indefinite integral with that x there. You absolutely cannot just pull it out front. That only works for coefficients. You can't do that with variables. What you can do in this case is take your choice of u and rearrange it. Because remember, what you really want to do here is you want this x to be expressed in terms of u so that your entire indefinite integral has u's and du's. If you just simply subtract the 6 over, you now have a way to express a way to express x in terms of u. So you can change that x to a u minus 6. And now you have an indefinite integral just in terms of u's with a du. Now, I hope that idea isn't too crazy, but the cool part about this is you're like, well, wait, it basically looks the same as the original one. You're like, how is that even helpful? Oh, because now that the u minus 6 is not the thing under the square root, you totally can distribute. Okay, you're just allowed to do that algebraically now. So the thing that was preventing that was because the u minus 6 was underneath, underneath, or the x plus 6 was underneath the square root, and now the u minus 6 is outside the square root. Okay. It's a different type of u sub. It is called back substitution, because you have to do the u sub and then sub back in for the x again. It is something we expect you to know. It is something that shows up in the AP test. A lot of the problems that use back sub look similar. From here, this problem is not too bad. Okay, We're here. What do we get? 2/5 u to the 5 halves minus 4u to the 3 halves plus c. Don't forget to change the u's back to x plus 6's. And we're done. Okay. Be on the lookout for that back sub thing. There's not like a time that you always do it, but I can give you some advice about when it happens, but it's just kind of in random problems. All right, that concludes this. Thanks for watching.